A very good afternoon to my lecturer, Madam Khalila binti Hilaluddin. My name is Ting Cheng Ho, and today me and my teammates will be doing the PBT presentation 1 of DFP 50293 Mobile Application Development. So the first page of our mobile application, which is also the cover page, is the introduction of ourselves. In the introduction page, we included our name, matrix number, phone number, and email.
Hi madam, let me introduce myself. My name is TAARANEE and I am from DNT 4B section 2. Going to present today about PBT presentation 1. So to begin with, what is Android version? Android version are used to describe the various updates for the open source Android mobile operating system. So move on to next. Now move on to next is about the button. They have previous button and also next button. Okay, so here we have 12 Android version. First of all is Android 1.1, and then Android Cupcake, Donut Android, Gingerbread, Android Froyo, Android Eclairs, Honeycomb Android, Ice Cream Sandwich Android 4.0, Android Jelly Bean 4.1, and then Android 1 Marshmallow, Android Lollipop 5.1, KitKat Android 4.4, Android Nougat, Oreo Android 8.0, Pie Android 9.0, the Android 12, Android 11, and lastly Android 10. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is FARAH and today I want to present for PBT presentation for subject mobile application development. I will present to you about Android architecture. Android is an open source Linux-based software attack created for a wide array of devices and form factors. The following diagram here show the major components of the Android platform. Okay, as you can see here is our mobile app for Android architecture. System apps. Android comes with a set of core apps for email, SMS, messaging, calendar, internet browsing, contact, and more. Apps including with the platform have no special status among the apps the user chooses to install. So, a third-party app can become the user default web browser, SMS messenger, or even the default keyboard. The system app function both has apps for user and to provide key capability that developers can access from their own apps. For example, if your app would like to deliver an SMS messenger, you don't need to work that functionally yourself. You can instead invert whichever SMS app is already installed to deliver a message to a receiver as you specified. Next is as you can see under here is a Java API framework. Okay, the entire feature set of the Android OS is available to you talk API written in the Java language. This API from the building block you need to create Android apps by simplifying the resource of core modular system, component, and service, which include the following: a rich and extensible view system you can use to work an app UI, including lists, grid, text boxes, buttons, and even an embeddable web browser. A resource manager providing access to non-code resources such as localizers, strict graphic, and layout file. A notification manager that enables all apps to display custom alert in the status bar. An activity manager that manages the life cycle of apps and provide a common navigation backstop. Last but not least, content provided the enable apps to access data from another app such as the contact apps or to share their own data. Here have a native C/C++ liberation. Okay, many core Android system components and services such as HRT and HAL are built from native code that require native library written in C and C++. The Android platform provides Java framework API to expose the functionality of system of this native liberation to apps. For example, you can access OpenGL ES the Android framework Java OpenGL API to add support for drawing and multiplication 2D and 3D graphics in your app. If you are developing an app to require C or C++ code, you can use the Android SDK to access some of this native platform librarian directly from your native code. Next, here is Android runtime. For device running Android version 5.0 API level 21 or higher, each app runs in its own process and with its own instance of Android runtime ART. ART is written to run multiple virtual machines on low memory device by executing DEX5 byte code format designed especially for Android that's optimized for minimal memory footprint. Good tools such as D8 compile Java source code into DEX byte code which can run on the Android platform. Okay, next is hardware at station layer HAL. The hardware abstraction layer HAL provides standard interface that export device hardware compatibility to the highest Java API framework. The HAL consists of multiple library modules, each of which implement an interface for a specified type of hardware component, such as the camera or Bluetooth module. When a framework API make a call to access device hardware, the Android system load the library model for the hardware component. Okay, lastly here, the Linux kernel. The foundation of Android platform in the Linux kernel, for example, the Android runtime ART, relies on the Linux kernel for underlying functionalities such as trending and low-level memory management. Using a Linux kernel allows Android to take advantage of key security features and allow device manufacturers to develop hardware draft for a well-known kernel. So, that's all from me. Next, I will pass to DIPAN. Thank you.
Hi, my name is DIPAN. Today, I will explain about the latest Android device on the market. First, we see the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So, their specification is a weight is 229 grams and dimension is 77.9, and then OS is Android 12. For the screen size for that is 6.8 inches, and the resolution is 1440 times 3200 pixel, and then the CPU was Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen, and then RAM for this phone is 8GB to 12GB, and the storage have 128GB and 256GB and 512GB and 1TB. So the batteries always is 5000 mAh, and the rear cameras, and from rear camera is 108 MP plus 10 MP. For front camera is 40 MP. So the reason to buy for this phone has series of hardware and versatile camera with L5 features. S Pen comes in a handy slot. For the reason to avoid expensive and no micro SD. So and then for the next one is a OnePlus 9 Pro. The specification is weight 197 grams. The dimension is 163.2 and 73.6 mm. For the OS is Android 11. So screen size is 6.7 inches, and the resolution is 3260 and 1400. And the CPU was Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. For the RAM is 8GB to mAh, and rear camera phone is 48 MP plus 8 MP, and front camera is 16 MP. So for the reason to why this phone is the best camera on a OnePlus phone, and a stylish and premium design, and powerful hardware, and also super charging tech. Okay, reason to avoid very much is an evolution of the OnePlus 8 Pro, and the battery life is a good but not best in class, and OnePlus 9 offers better value for money. And then for the Google Pixel 6 Pro, the specification is weight is 210 gram and dimension 168.9 times 75.9. So on the OS is Android 12, and the screen size is 6.4 inches, and the resolution 1008 times 2400. For the CPU is Google Tensor 5mm, and RAM is 12 GB, and then storage is 128 GB to 256 GB and 512 GB. So for the battery is 5003 mAh. For the rear camera is 50 MP plus 12 MP. For the front camera is 8 MP. So reason to buy is that Tensor chip is impressive and great camera, and then bold display and purest version of Android. And reason to avoid is no longer compact size option, no telephoto camera, and camera bump is large and compact. Okay. So the last phone is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. The specification is weight 271 gram and dimension is 158.2 times 128 times 0.1, and an OS is Android 12. For the screen size is 6.2 inches. The resolution is 1768 times 2008. The Qualcomm CPU is Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888, and RAM is 12 GB and storage 256 and 512 GB. For the battery is 4400 mAh, and rear camera 12 MP and dual pixel PDA and all IS. The front camera is 10 MP. For the reason to buy this phone is S Pen supported and dual 120 Hz displays and waterproof and slightly cheaper than Fold 2. And the reason to avoid is still pricey, and camera hardware not upgraded, not built in all stuff for S Pen. And that's all, and thank you.